In today's Power Query challenge, we need to remove duplicate rows, but not in the usual way. Two rows are considered duplicates if the set of values in columns 1 to 4 is the same, even if those values are in a different order. Let's walk through it step by step. First, we go to Add Column, Custom Column, and enter this Record.ToList. What it does, it converts the entire row into a list. In our case, that's ID, column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. But we don't want the ID in the comparison. So wrap it in List.Skip. We will use 1 as the second argument to skip only the first item in the list, which is the ID. It leaves us with just the values from column 1 to 4. Here is the trick that makes this all work. By sorting the values, we make sure they become the same thing. So let's use List.Sort function. This way Power Query will be able to see them as duplicates later. At this point, you might try right-clicking the column with the list and selecting Remove Duplicates, but that option isn't available. Why? Because Power Query doesn't officially support removing duplicates on list-type columns from the interface. But Power Query is more powerful than it looks. Just because the user interface doesn't offer something, doesn't mean it's impossible. Let's remove the duplicates from any other column. As you see, now we can just change the column name. And it works perfectly. Of course, you can just use TableDistinct function. And we only need the IDs. So if the final result needs to show only the unique row IDs, we use this double square brackets. That gives us a neat one-column table with just the IDs that passed the duplicate check. What makes this challenge interesting is that Power Query normally looks at columns one at a time, but here we are comparing a set of values as a group, no matter the order. That's where Record.ToList and List.Sort saves the day. See ya!